conference participants, colleagues, and friends. I sincerely welcome everyone who has joined our scientific community today. It is a great honor for me to represent the State Higher Educational Institution, Uzhhorod National University, the Faculty of Social Sciences, the Department of Psychology, and to present the results of our work on the topic Life Satisfaction and Psychological Resilience among Students during the War. The war in Ukraine has significantly affected the mental state of every citizen. It has affected all spheres of life: the loss of loved ones and homes, forced displacement, constant anxiety, and interruptions in electricity supply. Students, like all Ukrainians, are trying to adapt to the new reality. However, fear, anxiety for loved ones, and uncertainty about the future lower their level of life satisfaction and psychological resilience. The aim of the study is to identify the characteristics of life satisfaction and psychological resilience among university students during the war. The survey was conducted online in May 2025 using adapted methodologies. The Satisfaction with Life scale and the Connor-Davidson Resilience scale were used. The results obtained indicate that being in relatively safe conditions, even abroad, does not guarantee a high quality of life. Students who are forcibly displaced persons have almost 1.4 times higher levels of life dissatisfaction compared to those who remained in their familiar environment. Among men, this indicator is higher, which indicates a lower level of psychological well-being. As for psychological resilience, the average score among students who did not change their place of residence is 25.49, while for displaced persons it is 23.64. Twice as many students in the second group have a low level of resilience. At the same time, women who remained in their usual environment more often demonstrate high resilience, while male displaced persons show low resilience. Thus, it has been established that psychological resilience positively correlates with life satisfaction. In wartime conditions, it is especially important to develop psychological support programs, socio-psychological assistance, and interventions aimed at preserving students' mental health and increasing the effectiveness of their learning. Thank you for your attention. Glory to Ukraine.